So yeah, now you see the brake is not working, and if you see where I'm in the ghat. So what guarantee is Royal Enfield giving me on my life?
Hey guys, I wanted to bring this incident to you. One of my friend had this issue with the brakes, especially when he was traveling in the ghat session. Despite many complaints, Royal Enfield has not completely fixed it. It's kind of a life-threatening issue because if you're riding in a hill station and then suddenly the brake doesn't work. Guys, he is a professional rider. He has been riding for more than 25 years and he is a big Royal Enfield fan. We all are. And it's disappointing to see that Royal Enfield is not really paying much attention to these kind of complaints, which might result in life-threatening accidents, etc. And he has complained to Royal Enfield 3 to 4 times, but still there is no go. Every time they say it is fixed, but it is still not fixed, and it failed in Goa Rider Mania event itself. Well, while I was also there with him, so at least Royal Enfield, I hope they give him a replacement of the bike, or do some compensation so that this can be fixed. Thank you for watching.